In today's video, we hit jumps. Well, a little bit. I mean, for what we do, I'd say we do it pretty well. Stumbled upon this guy right here. It's pretty fun. For the majority of the video, we're going to be settling to the little trails like this. Not all this small. Not all this sudden. Ooh, yikes. A little tricky. Not all as untraveled, but most as untraveled. You see, the problem here is that nobody's traveled here, so you can't know what's there until you're on it. Gotta rub noses with it. We'll put our best leg forward and focus on the trail ahead. That way we don't go off the place like that. Oh man. Alright. Little narrow. Pretty slick too. But yeah, I don't think we're making it down that. Shucks. Okay, well, let's turn it around. Takes forever. This thing's a little slippery. Being 240 pounds. And smelling like a lawnmower running like that. Good grief. I knew I should have cleaned out those jets last night. Had a few tests a week before and it kind of wore me out, so I was an idiot and slept in till 10. Can't believe it. Did we go up that way? No, we came from the straight direction. Yes, this is exactly where we came from. How these rocks got up here. Maybe somebody brought them up. Well, that guy must have been having some fun. I think he is off in the distance somewhere. Imagine that. But we're gonna get on to some little sand sections here. They're always pretty good because they're nice, even flowing, and got some little jumps like that. Really nice, smooth effort. Unlike what this looks to have been right here. Good grief. Wonder how many ATVs I'd go over that to make it rideable. But hey, that's pretty cool. Not gonna go up that one though. Man, just doesn't have that acceleration like it should. Just lacking on all fronts. Ugh. Smells like a lawnmower too, minus the grass clippings. According to my dad, who's behind us right now. I haven't been back here before. In my several times of coming here. It's pretty cool though. Man, I hate corners like that. I always feel like a razor's gonna come out and smack me. What's that? I think that's a house. An abandoned house or something. No. It's not a house. Definitely not a house. Would have been cool though, but that's a boulder. Looks like some trials bike stuff. Should definitely take a trials bike over here. That'd be pretty cool. Yikes. Yeah, not a house. That's for sure. Now, back into the back part of the Badlands. Forget what this place is even called anymore. Basing down that same mountain from March when the bike was running better. Yet at the same time, I did have a cracked collarbone. Wait, where'd my dad go? to get stuck behind them again. I don't have the footage, but took a hot minute to get by him. Just bonds line through just to get grief. I don't want to get back behind that mess. Ah, here's a trail. Good thing they weren't taking this one, otherwise I would have been right there. Well, we're back pretty close to where we started. Look at this. Yeah, that could be a fun jump. What about this? Oh yeah. Small, but hey, it's better than nothing, right? Kinda wanna go up that. Yeah, it does. It does look extreme. Good grief. I wanna. Yeah. No. I don't want to lose my bike over that one. I want to drop it and bend a subframe. Those things are like a top end rebuild and bottom, all wrapped into one. Why don't you take lead for a bit?
I don't know this place as well as you.
We should go hit that one trail again. That long one.
Is that it?
No.
I don't know where it is.
I'll lead us.
Okay.
Now this trail is pretty fun, I have to admit. Oh, we gotta hit that jump again, right? I mean, it's right there. It's right there. Oh yeah. Beautiful execution.
I love that jump.
Yes, it is a lovely jump. Very smooth. Smoother than some motocross jumps, if I had to argue. There's those ones that get the kickers that go into the lips and everything, and oh, they're a pain sometimes. Man, this trail's fun. Oh, I'm excited for this one. And I promise it won't disappoint. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's right there. Just gotta get lined up. Even sounds like a lawnmower. Really gotta get that thing cleaned out. Yeah, it's right there. Just gotta kick it into good gear and gun it. These rocks up here are a fun little feature. Right here. Yep. Kicks a lot more than it looks, I'll tell you what. And you fade your way down. Man, that's a steep drop off to the left. Can you imagine losing your footing? Ugh. Oh, but it's about to get thinner. We're really in for it. Focus ahead, focus ahead. Ooh, look at that. The width of your tire. Oh, man. Haven't gone up here before, might as well give her a shot. Yeah, I know. Oh, hey, hey. Don't go too fast off that.
Don't come up this way.
Yeah, no kidding. Oh, what a pain. I really appreciate you guys checking out this video. Although it was a short one, I hope it was good enough for your liking. We'll be back as soon as I can find the time to edit the next one, where we are going to be featuring the Knolls, or in other words, what I like to call Mars. We'll see you guys in that next video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and check out the Rebuild series, and don't forget to share this video. Thanks, and we'll see you on the next one.